Hey guys, we weren't able to make an intro, so we're doing it right now. We made
Filet mignon with shrimp and veggies.
we made broccoli and mushrooms, and we made it the way we make it. I know everybody makes their food differently. He made the meat, and I helped him with the shrimp and the vegetables. Yeah, so if you guys continue watching, you'll see how we make everything.
Empieza a chile the shrimp.
Wait, where are you going? Okay, are you gonna record over here? Or are you gonna record over here? ¿Tenía agua?
No, es el agua. Está hot. No, déjalo hot. Pero cuando le eches la water se escucha y se mira todo así. Es lo que tiene. Es special effects. You can see all that. That's enough water.
Okay, I'm gonna put the shrimp in so it can start boiling.
Thank you. Okay, well, this is the steak that we gotta be cooking today. It's a filet mignon. Okay. And just want to say I got this at the supermarket, Vallarta. Which, by the way, a very good store, very clean. I like going there all the time and buying all my meats. They got the best cuts. And the butchers there, they're the best butchers I've ever seen in the world. They know their stuff, they're very friendly, so if you got time, go check them out. So this is the steak. We're gonna be cutting into 4 pieces right over here. And you have to be safe first, so we're gonna wear a glove. You have to wear a glove all the time when you cut meat. This buddy getting a little. Leave my chopper right there. With the mushrooms. You want the mushrooms? You take the mushrooms. Y ahora se las hace secar. Y luego más hace aquí como si fuese un cut meat.
Okay, you guys, so the shrimp is done. I don't know if you guys can. The shrimp is done. So I'm gonna take it out and we'll take off the skin right now too.
Alright guys, we're using a very simple seasoning, which is salt, pepper, and normally I would use master spice, but I don't have none, so I'm going to use Sasonador supremas. Let's get started. Alright then guys, this is a very simple method to cook filet mignon. All we're gonna do is just put oil in a pan, and then we're gonna fry it till it gets golden brown on both sides. And after, we're gonna lower the temperature, and then we'll check them. That's the big one. Alright then guys, at this time, the steaks should be golden brown on both sides. Just get in there real good. So now, at this point, I'm gonna lower the flame to low heat and let it finish cooking in low heat. Very important. Alright, this guys, it's garlic paste that my mom made. Let's put some of that minced garlic. Maybe a little bit too much right there. And some butter. And we're gonna use this to saute our shrimp. Gotta have a Coke.